a Starbucks barista showing you how to clean the Mastrena Espresso machine. So first thing you're going to do is take out the grounds drawer and check for any grounds and dump these. So we're going to dump those. Then we're going to look inside, and up on the left corner there is a key that you have to take out. You turn to the left, you have this little key here. That's important. I'm going to put 2 cleaning pellets. Here's the one we use. Put 2 cleaning pellets in this little key and put it back in. So now that we have our 2 cleaning pellets inside the key, let's stick it back up there, push it in, and turn it to the right now. We're all good on that part. So now we need the grounds drawer back in, so we have that here. Put it back in, and now it says cleaning start. Just push rinse, but we're not done yet. First, before we do that, we have to get our cleaner in this beaker here. So we're all done with the cleaning tablets. Now we need to put this urn cleaner, which we use to clean the steam wand and the little plastic assembly that's up here on this piece that puts out the espresso shots. So we're going to take that assembly apart real quick. So now what we're going to do, we're going to take this, we have the cleaner in, we're going to fill it up with hot water right here. Just have to fill it up with hot water real quick. We need nice hot water so that the cleaner can do its job. So fill this up with hot water, and now it's ready for the 2 plastic pieces. So for the steam wand, you turn to the left. No, you turn to the right. Turn to the right. Normally you turn to the left, but turn it to the right to get the plastic tip off. Drop it in there. Now for this piece, you have to look under there. It's kind of hard with this lighting, but there's a little nut. You just have to turn it to the right once more. Turn it to the right. Just keep turning it. Eventually it'll get loose enough to where you can take the little plastic piece off. Like that. This plastic piece is ready to go in the cleaner. Let's put it in the cleaner. Now all you have to do is put the steam wand in there. And now with that plastic piece removed, we're finally ready to press rinse. And it'll begin its rinsing cycle. That's all you have to do to clean the Mastrena espresso machine. When it's all done cleaning, this one's been done for a while, it will say push rinse, but you're not gonna have to do that until the morning. So yeah, that is how you clean a Mastrena espresso machine. Leave a like if you enjoyed, or if this was helpful information for any fellow Starbucks baristas.